Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 core where we're going to go ahead and go over how to create the title screen, the start button, and then the game over screen. So to begin, we're going to go ahead and start with our title screen. So we're going to hover over our choose a sprite. We're going to click on the paint tool. We're going to go ahead and call this title. Now for our title, we can make it like our button just using text, or we can also give it a cool backdrop. That's kind of up to you guys how you want to create your title screen. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and click on my text tool. I want to go ahead and find the color that I want to use for it. And then once I have it, I want to go ahead and find my font. Next, I'm going to go ahead and write the title for my game. And once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. To make this easier, I'm just going to make for right now the X0 and the Y0 on the side, just to make sure it's perfectly centered, and so I can get an idea of where I'm going to place it. So now that I'm happy with where this is, the next thing I can do, and this part is optional, I can either give it a shadow like I did my buttons to make it pop, or I can use my rectangle tool. I can go ahead and change its color. I'm going to go ahead and make a rectangle over my text. I'm going to move it back. I'm going to use my reshape tool, and I can go ahead and play around with what I have here. So I can go ahead and change it however I want to. And I can change it based off of my theme. So since I'm having this ninja theme, I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit sharper. I'm going to go ahead and add points to it. Okay. Like I said, you guys can go ahead and play around with this. So I'm going to go ahead, just to make this easier, I'm going to copy, paste, flip, kind of place it about where I want it to be and move it back. So here I have my title screen. So once you're done taking your time creating your title screen, adding a background to it if you wanted to, not a full background because we want to be able to see the back of the game, but something like this where it covers just the title so that you're still able to see it. Once you're done kind of making it, you can go ahead and start working on the code.